Well, we are on the hunt again today. Like I said in videos past, the hunt never stops for me. I am constantly hunting 90s, 2000s, JDM legends, not just JDM, but cool cars in general. And one found me. I don't know exactly the number this makes for me, but it's up there. And this one is pretty special. It's a one owner, satin pearl white on charcoal interior, 6-speed twin turbo VR4. The guy's got all the original documentation for it. From what I gather with talking on the phone with him, it was his wife's father's car. He bought it brand new. He actually traded in a Dodge Stealth for it. They said they have all the documentation for that, so I'm kind of anxious to look through that. They said they have every original, everything with this car. It was this gentleman's pride and joy. Sadly, like all of us, time got the best of him. He's either up there on age or he has deceased, and they are selling this car. And from what I kind of recollected, it's been sitting in their garage for about 8 to 9 years, somewhere around there. I pulled the Carfax on it, and I don't think it's been driven since about 2014, 2015. So I know it's been sitting dormant for a while. Luckily, it is in a garage. It's not sitting out in the field somewhere. So I'm really looking forward to seeing this car in person, kind of feeling it out, seeing what works, what doesn't. Obviously, these cars have the active aero spoiler and the front active aero, the digital climate control. A lot of the things like those, they don't work on them as these cars get older. Time gets on, the little plastic gears in the active aero stretch out and they break. The front air dam gets knocked off due to a parking curb, and the digital climate control just ages out with electronics. So if we can get there and all that stuff works, it'll be pretty special. So that's where we're headed today. We got Lincoln, you ready? We can get another car. We got Pico with us. And Garrett is actually going to meet us there and help us load it because it doesn't start. So hopefully we can get it running soon. Oh, you're going to drive it? Oh, okay, you can drive it on the trailer for me. So we're on it today, and next clip you see, we'll be pulling up to it. All right, we are pulling up to the house. It is somewhere down here. Kind of looks like the neighborhood we bought the Z in, just not in Texas. But it shouldn't be too much further up here. We're in Edmond, Oklahoma today. It's actually not 20 minutes from my house. It's crazy. This car's been hiding for 30 years in this neighborhood, and I never knew it existed. So I think this is it. And the garage is closed. Ding dong.
Ding dong.
Ding dong. Lincoln, what are we buying today?
Me too.
Oh.
What?
I would have thought we had the garage door open. I just talked to him. What did you get? All right, so here it is. So this car was bought brand new right here in Oklahoma at Bob Howard, where I actually currently work. As you can see, it's been setting for a good while. It's got the old original Oklahoma tag. Door panels are perfect. Seats in amazing shape. This thing is freaking immaculate. You know how I know it's 90s? Look at the floor mat. It's got a Tasmanian devil floor mat. Here's your Blue Angel bag. Look how nice the rear carpet is. Wow.
See all the hail damage?
Mm-hmm. It's Oklahoma.
Yeah.
Oops, sorry.
Sticks out front of the wall.
I don't see it everywhere though. There's a little one right there. The dust covers it so well.
Wow.
Will you pop the hood, please? Oh, it is. It's peppered, isn't it? God, it's so stock. Stock. Crazy that these cars are out here like this, just sitting in garages. It's like cobweb city under this thing. But man, even the rear rack and pinion for all the steering isn't leaking. I mean, this thing is crazy clean. Title.
It's so cool. It doesn't say it's a VR4. It says
No, it won't.
VR3.
Mitsubishi.
It says VR.
Yeah, 3 VR. I don't know why Oklahoma does. All right, unlock. Turn the key on.
Just
Yeah, turn it on. Turn it on? You gotta pull the steering wheel and do it. Now do it. There it is. All right. Take it out of gear. You out of gear? Oh, you're in gear now, dude. Take it out of gear. Put middle, neutral, right there. All right, you're free. All right, we're gonna push you backwards. Okay, straight. All right, straight back. Look at me. Yeah, go towards Pico. Straight. Turn right.
Back that way. Come on.
Hard right. Come on, hard right. No, not brake. Hard right, hard right, hard right. Straight, left. You're good. Now hard right, hard right. Right, that's left. Hard right, hard right, hard right. Come on, come on, come on, come on. You got it. Turn it. All right, brake. All right, I'll take the brake. Turn left. I'll help you. Come on. All right, brake off. What is it? Brake, brake. Yeah, there was some in there. Let's just get out of the road before we do that. I don't want to block the traffic. We'll get it over here and we'll look.
I just thought that one release might be there.
Oh, it could be. All right, take the brake off, Lincoln. All right, here we go. Oh, this car's weighs so damn much. 4,100 pounds. Turn right a little bit. Left.
Brakes.
All right, you're good. Good job, buddy. Go backwards. Ugh. All right, cut my way. Left. Come on, dude. You got it. Keep on. Right there. Now more. 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 More.
Come on.
All right. No brake. Just let it go. Oh, yeah. He'll set him so hard he can't even set it.
Like it.
All right. We're going to get one shot at this, Lincoln.
Right.
Right.
The kid did it.
Right. Come on. Right. On the right. Woo, you're close, buddy. All right, you're good. Good job, dude. That's like number 12 you've done by yourself. Well, we got it picked up. We got it loaded. Lincoln killed it today. He loaded it first try because he's always got to steer these things while we push them. But we're gonna drag it home, and hopefully it doesn't need a lot, and we can get her back on the road. Add another one of these cars back to the force. Lincoln is passed out. Are you sleepy, Lincoln? We're gonna go get some barbecue. We're gonna take this car to the wash, and we're gonna see if we can get it running. I got a real good hunch. I bet I can get it running today. At least firing on itself. And actually on the way home, I stopped off to look at a 98 Eagle Talon. It was fully built. So if everything goes right, we may get a twofer today. We may get 2 cars today. So hopefully that works out. It's a really kind of a cool car. You know, 98 Eagle Talon TSI all-wheel drive hardtop. Very rare car. Built motor, GT35R, fuel system, E85, all the good stuff. So I don't have a DSM in the collection. I've owned several, but I've actually only owned like a handful of Eagles. So hopefully we can get our hands on that car later today, and we'll make it a 2-for-1 kind of thing. Typically not, you don't squirt the water into the wind. You get wet. Hey! Hey! So we got home, we got the Talon unloaded, and I wanted to look through this stuff. Obviously, this is some of the documentation that I got with the car. It's some cool stuff that I've actually never seen before. Like, this was a Mitsubishi Spider only magazine, and I feel like just putting the pieces together. Thought you might like to see the reviews. Thanks, John Carson. And if you look, it says John Carson, Norman Mitsubishi, to this gentleman. So back in the day before email or CRMs, this dude was marketing to the gentleman who owned the car to buy a Spider, probably because he had inquired about one, or maybe he had serviced his car at that dealership. So he was sending him hand literature on the car. Like, that doesn't happen anymore. Like, stuff like this, someone sent me a magazine on the car I was thinking about buying, I'm buying it. Like, that's cool stuff. But it's just a lot of this old VR4 Spider literature I've never seen. So that's super cool. And then you get over here, and dude kept the original window sticker. So crazy looking at this, because it was $45,500 in 1995. So that's like over $90,000 in today's dollars. So like, think about it. You're going out to a car dealership. What are you buying? $90,000 VR4. You can buy a lot of badass cars today for under 90 grand. Like, it's crazy. But anyway, so the gentleman kept this, and what's really cool is I work at Bob Howard Toyota, and this is Bob Howard Mitsubishi. So this obviously dealership doesn't exist anymore, but it's the same dealer group. And then you get in here, there's just so much cool stuff with this car. You get in here and you find a file that says Mitsubishi VR4. And so I'm looking through it. So this old school Bob Howard business card, which is cool. The original title from 1995, June of 95. I would have been 11 years old. Man, what was I doing at 11 years old? I don't even know. But the original Oklahoma title. And then you flip through here. He's got his original sales contract from Bob Howard Mitsubishi. So, of course, this is what I do for a living. I do finance at a dealership. So I'm like, I want to see this. So 8.5%, 60 months. That was probably a really good rate for 1995. And you go to look down here. What was his trade-in? A Dodge Stealth. They gave him $20,500 for a Stealth, which is cool. He was so into these cars, he had traded a Stealth up to a VR4. And after looking through some of this other stuff, it was a blue 93 RT Turbo. So he had got the bug with the RT Turbo and then moved up into the VR4. So it's just super cool. Some of the stuff the dealers used to do, and some of the stuff. But just wanted to show you guys that. This is that car. I mean, it's been a heck of a day getting both these cars. But this car is just so freaking clean. Like, it's wild. I just can't get over how clean this damn thing is. And you want to know what's 90s. These are my tools and stuff out of the truck. But Tasmanian floor mats. Like, it doesn't get more 90s than Taz. But man, look how mint it kept the factory mats. It's just, this car is pretty remarkable. But we bought two cars today. We bought the Talon and we bought that mint 95 VR4. So thank you guys for following along. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's probably a little bit long, but we're out here doing cool stuff in the middle of nowhere, Oklahoma. Be sure to hit subscribe, hit like if you like the video. Thanks for following along. Lincoln, say hi, say bye.